I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Logie Poo's not here yet. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Maestro here. Logie Poo will be here shortly. We're starting a little early for FOMC, so just bear with us for a second while we get in and ready. But for now, we're waiting for Tao to talk. Hopefully soon he'll say those beautiful, sexy words of his, and we'll see the market go bonkers. Okay, I want to see the market just like, just have multiple, of its things. I forget what things I can and can't say, but I want to see like climaxes. I want to see NQ like climax both directions, That's what I want to see today. So right now we are downtrending on the higher time frames. The lower time frames are kind of fighting in between trends. And the level, that 206 level, held beautifully for now. So I'm looking to see what Powell wants to say and do, because I'm honestly, can anybody confirm if today is really Powell's last day as the speaker? Yes. So if he decides to say something about Trump, right? Because it's his last day, he could do this mic drop thing, right? We don't know. He could be like, when people, last day at your job, you're gonna be like, "Fuck Karen, you're a bitch. I hate you. You're the worst manager in the whole fucking life," right? If he says some shit like that, how do you think the market's gonna react? Like, he'll probably just be like, "Trump's a bitch," and then mic drop or something. We don't know. Like, I'm wondering what it's gonna be. He might still be on the board. Oh man, I kind of want him to do a mic drop moment if he's gonna be on the board. He might just say, "Screw it, I'm old," and still say something. This is just his last FOMC, not his last day on the board. Last time he speaks. I still want him to do a mic drop. If this is the last time he's going to speak, I hope he says something kind of spicy. Like something really spicy, and then you see the market just like, climax in both directions. I would love that. All right. So right now we're slap dab between 206 and 216.50. We're surrounded by levels. It's almost 230. So he's going to come in and say his words, and we'll see what it wants to do. I'm want to see if this 206 gives way. 216's holding. 5 minute is still downtrending. 5 minutes actually looking like it's in the middle of a downtrend and an uptrend. What do you guys call those things? Like cones or some shit? Right? You can kind of see it here. It's like here, I'll draw it out, right? It's like in one of these things, like an ice cream cone. You can see like my professional terminology, right? It's one of those things, right? It's a wedge. Okay, it's a wedgie. All right, so it's gonna get an atomic wedgie up, Okay, so it's gonna like dig up in the balls, or it's gonna get mooned, right? It's gonna moon us. That's the two things right now. It's gonna get the atomic wedgie up, or it's gonna show the crack like I did. Right? Which one will it be? That's what we're waiting for. 206 on the 5 minute is what needs to break for me. 1 minute honestly looks like a hot mess. Like the 1 minute looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna more gauge on the 2 and the 5. So we're gonna get an atomic wedgie up, or it's gonna show us our crack. All right. And here's the down push under 206. How far down can it go? I don't know. This was a nice lower high here on the 1. It held below these levels here. So if this is gonna hold true, we should see a pretty good drop. I want to see this just continue to hold under 206. There goes. There's 10-point drop already. And then just melt down. Just give us like a big meltdown. And it needs to break under 188 and then 182. But it needs to hold under 206. Oh, there's 88. There's 88. Oh my goodness. All right, there's 82. It's tapping 82. I did test this with 2 on my, what do you call this one? The wealth charts, one of my Apex accounts. There's 82. Bounced right off of 82. That's the next area it needs to break. So that was a nice little 22-point move down. Insta meltdown. So let's see. We're getting, so far she's mooning us, and he's about a full-blown take off the pants. We're about to see ass crack if this continues to break under 82. Right? No atomic wedgie yet. Last Friday low is last TP. Last Friday's low, man. I don't even know what yesterday's low was. But hey, let's go and see. Let's see if you get last Friday's low. Oh, he's here. All right.
My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. The U.S. economy has been expanding at a solid pace. While job gains have remained low, the unemployment rate has been little changed in recent months.
82 needs to break.
Inflation has moved up and is elevated, in part reflecting the recent increase in global energy prices. Today, the FOMC decided to leave our policy rate unchanged.
Unchanged.
We see the current
It did
stance
nothing.
of monetary policy as appropriate to promote progress toward our maximum employment and 2% inflation goals.
She's not moving at all.
Developments in the Middle East are contributing to a high level of uncertainty about the economic outlook.
All right,
And we will
unchanged.
remain attentive to risks to both
82
sides of our
held.
dual mandate. I'll have more to say about monetary policy after briefly reviewing economic developments. Recent indicators suggest that
Does he
economic
normally sound
activity
this
has
sad?
been expanding at a solid pace. Consumer spending has been resilient, and business fixed investment has continued to expand
runners got trailed
at a
out.
brisk pace. In contrast,
My runners
activity in
got
the
trailed
housing
out.
sector
All right, let's
has
see.
remained weak.
Unchanged.
In the labor market, the unemployment rate was
206 pulling back over
4.3%
206.
in March and has changed little in recent months. Job gains have remained low. A good part of the slowing in the
might get
pace
the
of the
atomic
job
wedgie.
growth over the past year reflects a decline in the growth of the labor force due to lower immigration and labor force participation, though labor demand has clearly softened as well. Other indicators, including job
wedgie.
openings, layoffs, hiring, and nominal wage growth,
Gotta see if
generally
this
show
206
little
holds.
change in recent months.
If it doesn't,
Inflation has moved up recently and is elevated relative to our 2% longer run goal. Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index and other data indicate that total PCE prices rose 3.5% over the 12 months ending in March, boosted by the significant rise in global oil prices that has resulted from the conflict in the Middle East.
206 holding.
Excluding the volatile food and energy
Can it
categories,
close above
core
here?
PCE prices rose
Got 50 seconds
3.2%
left.
over the 12 months ending in March. This
50
relatively
seconds.
high rate largely reflects the effects of tariffs on prices in the goods sector. Near-term measures of inflation expectations have risen this year, likely because of the substantial rise in oil prices. Most measures of longer-term expectations remain consistent with our 2% inflation goal. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 3.5 to 3.75%. The economic outlook remains highly uncertain, and the conflict in the Middle East has added to this uncertainty. In the
Pulling
near
back over
term,
to
higher
06.
energy prices will push up overall inflation. Beyond that, the scope and duration of potential effects on the
Oh, it
economy
closed
remain
underneath by a
unclear,
tiny
as
bit.
does the future course of the conflict itself.
Yeah, this thing did not want to go
We will
down.
continue to monitor
Yeah,
the risks
it
to
closed
both
by a
sides of our
tiny
dual
bit. That
mandate.
was the hold of that
We are well
level.
positioned to determine the extent and timing
Damn.
of additional adjustments to our
That
policy
level
rate
held.
based on the incoming data,
Can
the
it
evolving
retest it so I
outlook,
can get
and
in,
the
or no?
balance
Is it
of
just gonna
risks.
go?
Monetary policy is not on a preset course, and we will make our decisions on a meeting-by-meeting basis.
Fuck yes.
Come on.
This is my
Claude.
last press conference as
Updated
chair, and I
strategy
will
just
close
shot up
with a
in
few
fucking win
thoughts.
rate.
First,
Hell
I
yeah.
want to
This one's over
congratulate Kevin
224.
Walsh on his
Let's go.
advancement
Come on,
out of
come
the
on,
Senate
come on, come on,
Banking
come on,
Committee
go.
this
I
morning.
wanted it to
This is an
retest.
important step forward,
It did
and I
not.
wish him well as that process continues.
I entered late as fuck, though.
The
I'm not a
Federal
fan of
Reserve
entering this
exists for
late.
one fundamental purpose: to foster the economic conditions in which
Got in at
American
222.
families and businesses can
Just got that
thrive.
little 10-point
Stable
pop.
prices, a strong job
I only
market,
got in with a
and
few
a financial
micros. I want to
system
see if
they
it
can depend
retests
on.
that 206
Every decision we make,
area or
whether
not.
about
But
interest rates or regulatory and supervisory matters or other issues, is made in service of that
All right.
purpose. Our decisions reflect the collective
This is
judgment
where I
of the
got
Board
in
of
there. I
Governors and
would
the
have
Federal Open
loved to
Market Committee,
just have caught
colleagues who
that bottom
demonstrate
reentry
analytical rigor,
at 206. Oh, let's go.
principled judgment, and a
There
genuine
goes.
commitment
I got
to
2
the public
micros left
interest.
running.
Our
Holy
collaborative
shit.
and deliberative
30
process
points.
has long
I'm
reflected
going to
a
trail
shared
one
commitment
at
to finding
36.
common
Oh, my
ground
God.
in service to our mission.
I'm up 30 points.
This
The
institution
best
is
entry would have been at
resilient,
that 216
capable, and
area, but
staffed by
whatever.
professionals of extraordinary
it.
talent and exceptional dedication. It has been a privilege to serve alongside so many great public servants at the Board of
Oh.
Governors and around the Federal Reserve System.
40
The
points. I
Fed's
saw
work
40
is only as
points.
effective as the public's understanding of
One
it,
got
and
trailed out
you,
on that
the
pullback
press,
right there. Got
are
one runner
essential
left
to keeping the public
at
informed
35.
about what we do and why.
Holy
The
shit.
people we serve benefit from your careful reporting.
Damn it.
I welcomed
Quid.
the announcement
They
last
gave us
Friday
the
by the
atomic
U.S.
quid. He hasn't
Attorney for the
broken out yet?
District
Not
of
yet.
Columbia
It has to
that
hold
she had
over that
closed the criminal
256.
investigation.
It has to
She
hold
also
over
noted,
256,
however,
and they
that she
might
would
give
not
us a
hesitate to
super
restart the
atomic quid.
investigation. Over the
got one
weekend,
runner
the Department
left,
of Justice provided assurances
and it got trailed out
that they
right
will
there.
not
Damn.
reopen the
It's
investigation
not ready.
unless there's a criminal
We don't know
referral
yet. No
from the
atomic wedgie
Fed's
just yet.
Inspector
I
General.
rejected that top
And,
pretty clean.
absent such a referral,
We're still
if
within
they
these
do
levels.
appeal the recent court decision, they would not
No
seek,
respect to
as
these
part of
levels.
that appeal,
They
to
break and hold
restart the
above here.
investigation or
Let's
send
see.
new subpoenas.
209. I mean,
I've said that I will not leave
All right,
the
here we
board
go. Here's
until this
209.
investigation is well and
he's not
truly
going to leave the
over,
board until
with
the investigation is
transparency and
over.
finality, and I stand by that.
All right, here's this.
I'm encouraged by recent
209
developments,
pocket
and I'm
retest.
watching the remaining
Oh,
steps
big purple.
in
Be
this
careful here.
process
This
carefully.
is the area that needs to hold if
My
it's going to
decisions on
continue to
these
push
matters
up.
will continue to be guided entirely by what I believe is
This
in the
is
best
the area that
interest
needs
of the
to hold. Let's
institution and the
go.
people we serve.
Let's go.
After my
209
term
hit
as chair
clean.
ends on May 15, I will
There you
continue to
go.
serve as a governor
Anybody caught
for
that
a period
209
of
tap?
time to be
You're up pretty
determined.
damn good.
I plan to keep a low
waiting
profile as a
for it.
governor.
I still
There's
got
only
shitty
ever
ass entry.
one chair of
And
the
I
Federal
just got
Reserve
trailed out
Board.
right there.
When Kevin Walsh is confirmed and
All right,
sworn
back to
in, he will
209.
be that chair. Once sworn in
stuck
as
between
board chair, his
253
new colleagues will
and
elect him to chair
209.
the FOMC as well.
204 and a quarter is another level below 209.
As I regularly point out from this podium, our success in delivering our goals matters for all Americans. I'm confident that the Fed will continue to do its
All right.
work with objectivity, integrity, and a deep commitment to serve the American people.
You stay got that's a
Thank you,
good call,
and I look
Bagoli.
forward to your questions.
That's a good call, Bagoli. All right. I think we're good with the questions, production. We don't have to listen to the question.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Appreciate the
Sounds
comments
like
about
everything
the
is
press.
neutral.
Hope it doesn't come from the podium in different places, but
All right, here's back to 209 potentially. So 209 on the 1 minute, 204 and a quarter, 253.75. Those are the two areas we can bounce from. Dang, they didn't move much, man. It barely moved much. I was expecting more power. That was it. All right. There's 209 holding again. Well, they didn't even touch 209. It hit 216. Ah! Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. All right. We're just hanging out right now. We're just hanging out. Let's wait. Let's be a little patient. Under 204 and a quarter, we have room down. over 256. If it can hold above 256 on the 5-minute, we have some push up. This is still, there's still no atomic wedgie. She's still not showing us ass either. So we're still stuck in that whatever that wedge thing was. All right, here's 209 again. It is getting violent. She just melted right through. Looks like we are. Ooh, okay. Oh, there's purple. Okay, this is going to trigger. If this can close under 209, under 204, under 204, I'm sorry. 209 is a 2-minute level. This has to close underneath these right here. Nope, held. 209 and 204. Let's just wait. 204, 250. That's a wide ass range, honestly. All right, I could only make 4K in a day. Only yuck, only. If it fails to stay, this is gonna push up. Yeah. This is fighting. Look, it's trying to stay purple. It is failing to stay purple. That's a hell of a failed bearish potential move. If that continues to hold, those levels below are strong as hell. 5 minutes building a little bit. Let me see what we got here. Yeah. Yeah. We're just ranging right now. We're ranging. It's a tight range. Bro, Javi, I was up 6,400. Holy shit, yuck, for real? God. You gave some of it back? Why? What's an atomic wedgie? So basically on the 5-minute, it's in a wedge, right? What you guys call the wedge. And I was just talking about how it's either going to give us an atomic wedgie if it breaks the wedge up, right, and holds, or it's going to show us bare butt or crack like I did if it breaks the wedge down. Right? So we're still inside of it. Look, we're still inside the wedge. So that was what I was talking about. An atomic wedgie means it's going to break to the upside. The mooning, right, showing us bare ass is if it breaks to the bottom side. But right now, she's just hanging out. The bottom side is literally lined up with this blue candle at 189. The top side is lined up with that 157. So this is where we're stuck right now. Here's back to 209. And that 204 level needs to give way if we coming down. But she's not moving. What is she waiting for? Your trading terms are something else. I know. My trading terms are like the best. I use caveman words. Look at that tap of 204 again. She's refusing to break that area for now. If it breaks, it's going to push. But look at that. Bounce hard again. Look at that tap of that level right there. Bounce hard again. 204.25 has been holding so well. At 209 on the 2-minute, 204 and a quarter on the 1. This is just we're hovering. We're going to be stuck. Now we have a level at 219.25. This is where we're stuck. One way's got to give. 2 minutes kind of trying to push down. 5 minutes looking neutral. It's waiting for Powell to say something, I think. Or like one of the questions to be a weird question. All right. The market is waiting for Mag 7 earnings. Oh, yeah, we have the Mag 7 earnings today, too. Yeah, you're probably right. Probably doesn't care about Powell right now. I mean, as long as that 204 keeps holding, it keeps spiking up like it's what, 10, 15 points at a time? Finally gives way, then I'll take a short there. But for now, I'm just going to scalp it until it breaks. Because why not? 219.50 to the top side, 204 quarter to the bottom. All right, there it goes. It's back down. That was a violent push down too. Finally, we're gonna get a move here. She's gonna show us bare ass here. Needs to stay underneath. Let's see. Could you stay underneath? It's already pushed down 10 points, but it needs to stay underneath. I would like to see it retest and hold below. I don't want to see it pop itself back up and close above it. It does do that sometimes. I want to see it, just see it melt. We would have room. I mean, we already hit 180. All right, there's the closure. Melt through 153. Then we have room to 135. Below 135, I have a shit ton of room down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There she goes. Freezing. Why is my shit freezing? It's got trailed out right there. Now I want to see what it does up here. Back to retest those areas it just broke. 204 was that level previously, so that's what you want to see it retest and hold. All right, went right to it. Right through it, so still in this chop. So wait. If it pulls back underneath, maybe. Maybe I'll re-enter. Okay, there we go. Okay. Can you hold underneath? Can you hold underneath, though? You need to hold underneath. One minute has 20 seconds left. I'm going to test it again. Stop loss over 210. Just to test the waters, just with a couple micros here, just because this is closing really close to it. It's closed under 204. It's closing too close to it. So if it takes me out, just a couple to test. Because this is that first entry was good. The second one, it's just back in the range. So let's see if it can continue to melt down. Just tight ass stop loss here. And I'm out. Boom. Yep. Took me out right there. Clean. Clean exit. 5-point stop loss for a reason. In the range still. We're still in the range. All right. Now I'm going to wait for the next setup. Ooh, we're getting a blue, man. 5 minutes super range and chop. 56 needs to break for the top move. Should I just play the quantum blue here? I can close over 220. 4 seconds. I'm going to go long here. At the hold of 220, stop loss will be below 210. 209. Let's see if this signal pushes to that 50 area again. If this fails and breaks underneath that 214, so I have my stop loss at 210, I'm going to sit on my hands really because this is super chop then, which I would be very cautious with. All right, first TP I'm looking for is 30. Oh man, let's see, 37, then 42. All right, let's see if we get it. Just gonna play the quantum blue right now. See if we can get this little skadoosh push up. Give us a little 3Z push up. Come on. Oh, it's just messing with me. She's just messing with me. Come on, take it. There you go. First TP hit. Next is 42. 42. Boom. Second TP hit. All right. Already made back that little L. Smooth sailing here with runners running 1 from 10, 1 from 5, 1 from entry. 3 runners. So there. All right. First runner got taken out.
Sorry, guys. I'm heavily backtesting. I got so sucked into the backtesting and the strategy that I have, and I'm just trying to make sure that it's all correct. It's doing insane work.
All right, let's see that push to 53. This thing can break through that 57 area. Then we got a good move coming up. But for now,
Are we not on YouTube?
there we go. There's 50. It hit 51. There we go. Let's go. Almost 25. We got 25 points on that entry. So everyone should be pretty good. Right? That one little 5-point L, right? No one should be hurt from that 5-point L. This is what's important about keeping your risk and your sizing important. It is important to keep your sizing and risk in control. Holy shit. There we go. There's that 57. All right. I'm up 30 points right now. Oh shit. How do I always hit this wrong thing. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm up 30 points. 30 points. Took that one little L. 5-point stop loss. Now we're back up 30 points. Clean A++ setup on Quantum. Took that baby. All right, let's go. 56 broke. We're up 35 points. Who's in this baby? Oh my
Ripping,
god.
Howdy. Ripping.
36. Let's fucking go.
This is ripping, hobby.
Very nice, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, you lose some, you win some. That's a part of the game. First, that loss was a 5-point risk loss. Clean hold. This was a 10-point risk play. And we good. I got one running at, I got one stop. Where I can't see if 153 is where I have one runner running, and the other one's at 243. So it's where I have my two. Actually, it was 251.75. I could not see that damn number when it pulled down. 251.75 on one, 243 on the others, where I have these last two runners going. I'm gonna move one to 55. And I'm gonna move the other one to 46. Holy shit, this thing is going, guys. We're up 35 points right now. Clean A++ setup right here. You guys seeing it right there. Clean A++ setup. 5-minute gave us a little bit of push. This is the top on the 5 that needs to hold over. This 57, this 5-minute needs to close above this, and we'll get a push up. Maybe we'll get to the 300s again, maybe. But we have a couple barriers to get through at 87 and what do I have? 87, and then, yeah, and then after 87, I have nothing. All right, one of my runners got taken out. Last runner's at 246. Nice, awesome vibes. Damn, bro. 5,800. Did you YOLO that shit? Did you YOLO that? All right. Last runner's up 40 points. Last runner's up 40 points. It's gonna leave it the last runner at 247 just to see if it can muster up and hold above 56, 57 here. And if it can, we get a nice little push up continuation. If not, then that might be all she wrote for now. And she might go hunting for a new higher low, which would be maybe 213. Let's see. Everyone doing good? Everyone doing good right now? I know Quantum Gang, we caught some big moves before Power Hour. FOMC is scary. FOMC is scary because one word and you're going to get a FU candle. You're going to get that It's Britney bitch candle out of nowhere. Can anyone send this indicator link? It's in the MOT. Can one of the mods send SC107? There you go. Thank you, OMB. Thank you, brother. Boom, boom, boom. All right, my last runner still in it at 247. That's where I have it set for the last stop. I want to see if this 5 minute can hold up here. If it can't, then it's going to come back hunting down for a potential higher low on the 1. Ooh, it closed underneath. I'm just going to leave it. It's going to either take my last runner out at 47 or we're going to get a little pushy. So I'm going to leave it alone. ES divergence. Yep. When SPX ES is diverging. Oh shit. Come on. 45 points. When ES and NQ diverge, I do not care what ES is doing. I do not look at ES when there's divergence. I only care what NQ is doing at that point. All right, we're at that next bit of levels at the 82-87 area. Up almost 50 points on this entry, on this long entry. Runner is running smooth and beautiful. Runner is running smooth and beautiful here.
A potential entry here.
Let's go, Tony told you. Past forecast.
387. An entry.
I'm moving my stop to 55 because I don't like to give that much back. I could actually move it a little higher. Actually, that's a lot. Give me back 20 points. Fuck it. I'm moving my stop to 68. We're up 52 points. I'm going to gladly take this. 87 is the next area of resistance for me. So I'm taking this shit. 54 points. I'm taking this. I am happy with that, y'all. Takes me out here. It takes me out here. I don't care. That was a beautiful long. Beautiful, beautiful long. YouTube seems a little quiet today, huh? On YouTube. Where's the energy, YouTube? Is that the champion cloud? Yeah, that's I've been testing it with Rob Hoffman stuff on the wealth chart stuff. It's just clean as hell. Like,
Okay,
I
I'm about
love
to jump into this. If we pop over this 187,
runners up 55 points. I'm gonna move my stop to 70. My runner will be trailing at 70.
yep.
Holy
All right, here
shit.
we go.
Points up 60 points. Oh my god. Oh, guys. That was a clean ass signal. That was a clean ass signal, y'all. Oh my god. I'm gonna move my stop to 75. I'm not gonna give too much of this back. I'm trailing here. This 87 is a potential rejection point, so I'm not gonna want to give too much of that back.
Keep pushing. Keep on pushing.
Ugh. I do not size up, OG. Nope. I do not. I stay true to what I do. Like, I just do the routine. I have fun doing this. Like, I don't like to throw my money away into resetting accounts and shit like that. But that's me, right? Because I was brought up with no money. I had no money when I first started this. Holy shit, we're up 65 points, guys. 67. Oh my god, our runner
I
is-
want to get up to like 19 area, 18 area would be great. I want to try and get all the way up to there.
308 is the next
Like a
area if this
20,
can hold
40
over
point
this
move.
87.
I want to go for like a 40-point move, 30 to 40 points here. Right? Oh, I got a level here at 17, 15. Fuck, I didn't see that. All right, I'm going to trim right before 15. Not see this level here. I'm going to trim right before 15. Let's do like 1450. Let's do a point before is where I'm going to trim.
Yep, Davey Dave. Yep. The beauty about quantum, it pairs nicely with almost anything. So it adds extra confluence, extra areas to watch out for. You can literally see the flips. Look, I'm going to show you this, Davey. You can see where the champion trend went from green to red, where the blues started to show up.
There we go.
Like that's the kind of stuff. And you can see the purple that began the change from green to red. It's like little things. Dude, my runner is up 70 points. Is anybody still in this? I'm moving my runner to 86. 300 about to get tapped.
Go, go,
Those
go, go. There
levels
we
played out
go.
beautifully. Oh my
There
God,
we
78
go.
points.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Go,
go. Give
brother.
me
Let's go.
1450. Let's
Let's go.
go.
Let's go.
Let's
Oh my God, we're gonna
go.
see 100. 308 breaks. 312, 308, 336 will be the next area. Here's 308. Hit it right on the
Go,
T right now.
go,
I got
go,
my stop at
go,
295,
go.
up 80 points.
Yep, I got
80
all
point
contracts,
banger.
10 points into profit. Go, 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 go.
That's our next area of resistance here. 295 up, clean 80 point move there.
Go, 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 go. Give me 1450. I want 1450.
Oh, 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 my runner's about to get taken out. And it's out. Runner's out. That was a beautiful ride. I'm good. I'm good with that. 308 rejected so far. If it breaks over that 308, 312 pocket, next will be 336. But I am so happy with that. That was a hell of a ride. That was one hell of a ride. Boom, boom. We get rid of this guy.
Put
This
my
does
stop
come back.
losses at 83. Let's put my stop losses at 85. Actually, fuck that. Put my stop loss under this previous candle right here
This-
at 90. 90 is where we're going to put the stop loss.
This is where we had that hard rejection earlier, this 312 area. This can pull back quite a bit, but it is still looking very bullish.
Oh, almost stopped out again.
Waiting to see if
And
we
I'm
get
out. And I'm out.
again.
And that is $30,000.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, 25 accounts,
All right,
$30,000.
there goes. Yep, 10 points right there on one. I just took 2 micros on this just because I'm like, I'm not giving that shit back. Just took just a couple. I already have just one runner running a break even just in case it stops me out. Wanted to take the little nibble of that.
Cool.
Fuck yeah, dude. Look at that. That's so clean. That's so awesome, man. I don't have the balls to copy trade. I just don't. I just don't. That's just me though. All right. Oh shoot, my runner's going. Oh, there's purple boy. Oh, interesting. It's showing up on M and Q, but not on NQ. Oh, it didn't stay purple. It didn't stay purple. All right, my runner's up 15 points right now. Just one. Oh shit. Okay. That was a clean rejection. That level held. That's 312 area was where it rejected before. Oh, just a couple cons. I didn't take too many. Got my runner at 85. Gonna take those points and run. And boom, took me out. I'm good with that. Just added another little 15 pointer there. Boom. All right.
I'm probably done for the power hour. I'm going to go back to what I was doing.
Oh.
I think it's safe to say, Javi, that you and I will and have consistently made FOMC our bitch.
Yep. My FOMC is literally our bitch now. Like, that's it. Look at that. Clean scalp. Looks like the push down wasn't going to be that deep. The 1 minute just made a higher low potentially here. This shoots over 312. Got 20-point room push up. If it can get up there, though, if 295 rejects, we still can push down. This is just looking super bully right now. So be careful. Be very careful. Excuse me. Oh my God. Why am I yawning? 400 away from funded. Way to go, OG. Take your time, man. Take your time for those last 400. Do not like blow your account like half of the idiots that are $10 away. I used to be one of those idiots. I blew my account when I was like $10 away from passing it. Way back. Oh, look. Holy shit. We just rejected hard again. Ooh. There's Purple Boy. And 95 held. Dang, that thing that thing dropped 25 points in a blink of an eye. From that 306 rejection up here, that dropped almost 40 points. If anybody caught that, baby. If anybody held it longer than I did. Full port. Gotta hold under 275. Like, I don't have anything there, but I mean, this thing can keep going. If it's gonna go searching for a new higher low, it could come down quite a bit. Like, it could literally come all the way down to 213 again. We still got like 44 minutes until MOC as well. So if this is going to continue its way up, it needs to break back over 85. It needs to close over 85 and then make its push back over 95 and try to break those levels. So for the time being, this is our next little barrier up. The 2 minutes giving us a short potential here. Stop loss is all the way at 299 though. Oh, that's risky. Or a break above 282. Which sounds a little bit better, but this uptrend is strong, so I'm not fully gonna trust that just yet. SPX is at the bottom side of orb. That has to close below 280 on the 2 minute. If there's a viable potential short incoming. But nope. All right. Javi, how are you getting your levels? Two things. Quantum forms the levels for me, by the action lines crossing, and then the candles themselves. So the quantum candles are support and resistance candles specifically. And then you would have your levels that quantum creates. So wherever you see these action lines cross on each time frame, it'll form a level, right? I only use the 1, 2, and the 5. So on my chart, you're only going to see 1, 2 minute and 5 minute levels. So these are levels that were created by quantum. They're going to test it. Here's that 186 test. The 2 minute, where's the 2 minute? 2 minute is still kind of hanging out in that 80 area. We're going to continue to go up, needs to break over that 86 and hold. What is this? The 80, what is it on the 2 minute? No, the 2 minutes all the way at 99. So this top side's getting a little funky. Yeah, let's get the likes up on YouTube. Like YouTube, gotta wake up. I love trading fatigue. Yeah. Trading fatigue is definitely like one of those things that's just like, it hits you hard when you get like super bored. I rarely get bored trading. Oh, okay. Here we go. Is that going to be our next leg up? Has to close above on the 1 minute. So far, it's just rejecting that level at 95.25. Let's see, what are you going to do here? Still rejected. 2 minute is still also rejecting that top side it's at. 2 minutes going to potentially create a level here at around 285, 86. So that's where the 2 minute would need to close under. Where are we at? 283, 85. So yeah, it's challenging it continuously right now. SPX pushing up. They're kind of tracking a little bit right now. So if this is going to be a higher low, I want to see this break over and hold cleaner break over that 85. But no, yeah, rejecting again. Not ready yet. Let's see what this 2 minutes going to do here. It's going to lock this level here or not. There it is, 286.75 on the 2. There's the level creation. Those of you asking. There's your cross. There's your level, 286.75. So that's what needs to be broken on the 2 minute for it to try to challenge 299. On the 1 minute, you have 295. You have 85, then 295. All right. Avi and Logan, what has been the longest lifespan of any of your counts? The longest lifespan for one of mine, I think, was 3 months. And this was like way back. Obviously, now I have a little more fun, so they don't last. Like after I get a couple, 3 payouts, they don't last that long anymore. I'm gonna be straight up, right? I tend to have fun with them after that. Kind of because like I've gone live with like 4 out of a bunch of props. Okay, here's that push up. That a bunch of props, so I don't want to keep going live with every single one really fast. So I think in the prop industry that's kind of a no-no, right? Like you don't want to do that, right? Too much. I I haven't got in trouble yet, but I've gone live with FFF. I've gone live with Tradeify. I've gone live with My Funded Futures. I've gone live with another prop that I was trading that we are not sponsored by. Yeah, so you know,
Can you drop copy trade live prop firm accounts? Yes, you can. I'm doing that. I have a cash account, a live account with My Funded Futures. I have a live account with My Funded Futures. I've had live accounts with TBT. I've had live accounts with FFF. And I would probably Tradeify if I decide to take this last payout, but because I don't want there's weird rules and stuff to live accounts. So like I have one account that's going to go live, but then there was so I might just pop this account, reset the other one, so then I have all 5 could go live at once. There's strange rules and shit that go to it.
yeah.
Is
All
it
right, if this is gonna be the
possible to pay
next
your
leg
course
up,
and buy and pay in 2 or 3 times? You're talking about payment plan? Yes, you can.
yeah, there's payment
All
plan, guys.
coaching is payment plan, or I don't know about coaching, but all courses are payment plan.
Coaching too. Coaching does have payment plan. I just found that out.
Nice.
Somebody asked me about it. I didn't know. So you could actually do payment plans on coaching too, guys. Same thing, right? What is it? Klarna and something else? I don't remember.
Right.
Yeah. I just found that out like a couple days ago. Somebody brought it up to me. I'm like, I don't know. And then I asked the great Owen, and he's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh, sweet. All right, what you gonna do here? She can start to hold over 95. She's trying to break this level here. She's trying to break that 12. This 12 was a major area earlier. This was a huge rejection earlier. There was a huge rejection here in the morning. Will it break through it this time? Dang, SPX left a ginormous gap. Still struggling to hold over. There's a few levels there. Javi, how are you getting your loan? Javi, it's gonna go up, but wait, it may go down. If it doesn't go up, oh, here we go. If it closes above, we have room to up to 2 points. If it rejects, we go down 2 points. Oh wait, told you, called it. What? I'm literally reading my levels out, man. What the fuck, BF? Literally reading out exactly where it has room. We have 312. If it goes down, we have room for it to go down. Will it?
321 I'm entering.
Do you know how to read market structure? Like, it's simple, bro. I have levels all over my fucking shit. And I can read the little blocks where it can go and get trapped in. But yeah, it's okay. I still love you, bro. I still make money in what I do doing. So hopefully you're profitable too, man. Best wishes to you. He just got to listen to himself. How he just be saying things. Yeah, I narrate BFF. I narrate a lot.
Wait,
That's how I do what I do. If it does this, if it breaks here,
wait. All
that's
right,
what I do.
I'm in. I'm in.
I do a lot of narrating.
Wow.
Can someone make
Wow.
Q?
Wow.
I'm in it. I've been in it for a little
Oh,
bit.
wow. Boom. Snipe.
Yeah.
Wow. What a sniper. Boom. Holy shit. That just instantly ripped up 18 points.
Yep.
Beautiful. Holding this. Let's see how we
Yep.
reject off of this 60 area.
Yep.
I'm
Yep.
going to move
Yep.
all
There's
contracts
that.
in
Look at that.
profit.
See, look, look. I said if it breaks over 312, we have room to 336, right? Do you remember that, BF? Right? Can he even see my chart on
Oh, yellow
YouTube?
candle. I love
Like,
me
you
a
see the
fucking yellow
levels.
candle. Rip through 60.
Can you
I'll
see this
fucking
shit? Like
scale in.
literally, like, did you hear that part at least, BFF? Right? If you're listening to me that close, hopefully you heard that. All right. Those levels breaking, and then we have room to the next
Move my
group of
stop loss
levels,
up to
which is
21.
336,
In
342.
profit. 22. Right into profit.
Love the YouTube haters.
Out, 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 out. New
Let me
number.
see.
New number. Here we go. New number on the power hour. Here you go. All right, now going back to work what I was doing. Okay.
I'm not just yeah. Thank you, Owen. I mean, I know those that don't know, I mean, I was live with Quantum Gang. I'm live with Quantum Gang every Sunday night. You can go watch BF. Go watch my YouTube shit. You'll see exactly what I'm looking at. The levels I'm reading, everything is to the point. Like key levels. I've called things out with precision multiple times, and it's not by fluke. I lost the Discord live earlier.
Wesley, you've been hacked, brother. Wesley, you've been hacked. I see you're on the YouTube, Wesley. You've been hacked. You're sending
Wesley's been
messages
hacked?
to all of the staff, all of the chats, everywhere.
Oh shit, Wesley. What did you click on, bro?
You clicked on something,
Yep.
brother. You have been hacked. I
Yep.
see you
You've been
messaging me
hacked,
on
bro.
YouTube saying you don't have access anymore. Just a heads up.
Yep.
So
I
we
just
had
got a message from you.
Yep, we were forced to ban
Saying
you.
something
You got to
about
figure it
crypto.
out. Get your account set up, figure it out. Apparently, you're doing it on everything, not just Discord. So,
Yeah, dude. Yeah. You just sent me a bunch of crypto shit.
what do I do? You figure out how you got your shit hacked. Apparently, it's happening on your socials, also, dude.
Yeah.
Definitely change your credit card info and everything you got.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Anything you have linked, you better go out and make sure you cancel everything. Freeze your credit, dude. I would freeze your credit just to be safe. No, the comments, I can't move them. Okay, there we go. Here we go.
Also, YouTube, I don't think you saw it. I'm currently up $62,000 on the power hour now. I just posted my profits in the chat. Yeah. All right. I'll let you guys know if I see something again. Pretty much, I
Good.
need to pop over 60, and then I'll go long with some extra confluences.
I hope
Currently,
YouTube got to see the chart on my levels because that guy was like saying, like we were literally trapped in a bed of levels when Powell was gonna talk, which is normal when it's chopping and it's expecting a move from news. That's normal. And then it has to start breaking them, right? It has to start opening it up. But that rejected again. That remember I said earlier, breaks 312. We get that push to 330s. It hit 340.50. I have a level at 342.50, 336.50. Now I have a level at 306.50 and 286.75 that got created on that push up. And then it has to start breaking. Look at this. Look at these levels all the way up to 385. There's a level every 10 points until 385. Over 385, 426. Sauce box up there at 433 too. illegal website, Pedro. Yep, Mickey, you cannot go wrong with Logan's course, bro. Go lock in, especially he's doing that live challenge. But I think, oh yeah, you got you need people to register by a certain day.
Yeah,
I saw that.
everybody who, yeah, if you want to be in the challenge, you need to have your account ready to register and send your information no later than Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Here you go, guys. Lock that in. Lock that in. It's gonna be epic. I'm telling y'all.
You cannot join the challenge afterwards.
Thank you, Diana. Diana Avendano Perez. See, she listened.
Yes,
She
evals
listened.
are allowed. Evals are allowed, Aniki, but once you pass your eval, you're out of the challenge, which is still a W, right? That's still a win. Oh, I'm about to go short here.
Yeah, I'm getting a signal on it too. Rejected at 36. 306.50 needs to break though.
301.50
And
for
then we
me.
have
Whoa, tapped
yep,
it.
then we have room.
Wait.
2 minute, 5 minute.
Wait.
Then we have room
Wait.
to 286 after.
Wait. Not yet. Oh,
Yep,
there's a
306.
gap. There's a gap that needs to fill. It needs to move up back to 310 at some point.
No, it left like SPX left this ginormous gap below as well.
MQ has to pop up to 310. There's the pop up. Now let's see if it rips back down.
306.50 needs to break on that 1 minute.
Pop under this candle and I'll go short.
What did it close at? That thing closed at 305 and a quarter. Popped right back up to retest 320. This could be a man. I don't think it's ready yet. This looks like it's
Nope.
just making a new higher low here on the one. The
30 seconds left,
is
maybe.
running. The 2 minute, the 5 minute. 5 minutes kind of holding that 300 SPX. You know, it's still not looking horrible, but that needs to hold like that break under that level was a tip break. Not a fan of how it broke it, but it's still not looking horrible.
I like it. If we pop under here, I'm going short. Pop under this pivot level, I'll go short. I just need some volume. Volume just dropped, interestingly enough.
Yeah, what is ATR at right now? Freaking 13.
13. Now it's only at 14. It dropped.
All right, here's its second attempt.
I'm not in it yet. All right, let's take a test. Let's take a stab here. How far do I want it to go down to?
The longer it can stay under that 306, the better. But like it keeps popping it up, yeah.
I'd like it to get down to like the 70s would be really nice. But right now we're getting a lot of hesitation.
Yep. Again, couldn't stay
For my
underneath.
stop loss is going to be at like 14. Stop loss
So
is going to be
currently,
at
looks like we're at a
Yeah,
20-point range, now, bro.
I'm
We're
out of
at
that.
20-point range.
I'm out of that. I'm going to wait.
That hit
The little
30.
L. I'm still up 40K
Yeah.
on the day. I'll take it.
Yep. Yeah, this closed at 306.50 and pushed right back up to that 320 area. So high. That's a higher low. We're gonna make a new higher high, breaking this 325.75. Maybe, maybe. Still needs to break through these levels. Yeah, we only trade. I only trade micros. Only micros. There's Bluey. Yep, there's my confirmed range at least.
This guy right here, yeah, 62,000. He has multiple accounts. Check this out, man. This is
All right. Ranging. 5 minute. Looks like it's trying to pull down a little bit, but unless this can, again, that blue formed right at 305.75, so right on that 306 area. That would have been nice for it to like really break down with force, but it barely broke it.
I kind of think it still wants to rip long. We just
Yeah.
need to pop up 60.
This is looking like it's going to attempt to make another high. The problem is it has to break through these levels it's at right now. Until it does that, we're not moving nowhere. We're just going to stay here in this range. The 5 minutes curling down, so literally that 5 minute would need to also close underneath that 300. 303, let me measure this out. It would need to close under 302. The lower the better on the 5 minute closure for it to get pulled down. For the time being, yeah, this is still looking like a staircase up. Got quite a bit of levels to rip through here, though. That's like just a punch comes in and just goes right through them all. Rarely see that happen, but I've seen it happen, especially during New York Open. It happens. We got MOC in about 22 minutes. Maybe MOC will do it. Who knows?
Oh, we have earnings today.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we got the Mag 7 or some shit, right? Mag 7. Skyka just shorting it here again. Fuck it. Careful. Just go get
Skyco,
a spike up.
the longs look better than the shorts, Skyco.
Nothing looks clear to me. I mean, the longs definitely look better right now, only because it looks like it made a higher low on the one. But okay, here's the break over that first purple candle, so it's breaking out of the range. The 24 needs to hold now, and this 26 level. Then we'll retest. Maybe we'll retest that 42, make a new little higher high, a quick spike higher high, and then it'll rip down. Who knows? I've seen crazy shit before. It's tight. It's a very small, tight range. Yep. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, and QCOM. Oh, dang. That is definitely a powerhouse of earnings. You've been in the long since 97? Damn. You've been in the long since 1997? That's how I read that. I mean, that was a clean ass long from 97. Yeah, if you're still holding that baby. That was pretty good. I caught like, well, what did we catch earlier? Yeah, before we started here, we caught this short, this long with the Quantum Gang. Now we're here. Still in the range, rejected that 26 level, but not close above. Now that goes up there. Made the range wider. Levels holding up. There's more room to the downside than to the up. Does not mean it's going to go down though. That 5 minute, I'm still looking for that 5 minute to start pulling underneath 302, 300. Do you guys have instructional videos? Yeah, we both actually do with our indicators. Quantum Shift is mine. I have videos, a bunch of videos on my YouTube. Logan has videos on his YouTube on Pivot Hunter. So make sure you guys go check those out. All right, back to the bottom. This is the bottom of the range. 5 minute needs to start closing and pulling underneath that 303 for me. The 2 minute, the 1 minute needs to close under 306 with a nice closure, not a tippy tip. Until that happens, here we go. Here's an attempt, needs to close though. Five minutes giving me that curl down. This should actually be gone. Need it to close well underneath though. Okay, closed underneath. Now you want to see it retest 306 and reject. There's 305.50. There's the rejection. Now can we get that push down here? It needs to start to hold it. Needs to really start breaking this 300 with force. If it can't, we're just gonna get stuck in the range again. There's 10 points almost. There's 10 points. There's a clean quantum break and retest for 10 points. Now it needs to stay underneath and keep going here.
I'm melting here.
There you go. There you go, guys. There's a nice quantum, literally played out beautifully. Almost 15 points there. But again, right, we still have that level at 286. And that might be all that she gives us for now.
Oh.
All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, we hit that bottom side, 86. Level 86 got hit. And look at where it bounced. There you go. Look at that. Look where it bounced. Right off the level. Where's that BFF boy? Where's the BFF boy? Still asking these questions. Still. I mean, I can answer his questions. Clean. That was a clean as hell quantum range breakout, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get in that
Oh
short.
my god, guys. Again, the precision, guys, retested. You wait for the break. It
Oh,
retested 306
okay.
to the dot.
I wanted to get into the 50s. Where's my resistance area? Yeah, let's get into the 50s. I'm gonna trim at 60 and then I'm gonna trim at 53.
Look at this.
Hold
I didn't even
on.
get a clean entry, guys. 30 points right now with 4 micros. Up $200.
There's 12. Keep going. Keep going. There's 13. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Keep going. There's 15 points. Dump, 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 dump. Oh, we have a fucking gap here. I'm gonna move my contracts on the
Nope.
fucking didn't see that gap.
Where's the next area for me? If this gets closed, if this 2 minute closes under 286,
The gap
got
up
room.
to
It's got room.
I'm gonna hold. I mean, my contracts are in profit, but it needs to, and I don't want to fucking. I'm just gonna take my contracts, put them in profit. Ideally, it would be great if we can get down to before it has to fill that gap. But my stops, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna put my stops here at 80. Stops here at 80. There's a gap at 82. So I'm just gonna put my stops right before it. Take it out. Take it as it is, and then well, now we got another gap. So now it has to pull back under 72. We've got 2 gaps, a gap at 82 and 72. So
Oh man, that was such a clean play, guys. Clean play. I hope everyone. I hope those that watched the webinar and are looking at my chart in the Discord. Hopefully, you guys saw that picture perfect.
all right, I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. There's a gap fill at 82, and now let's see if it pulls back down. I'm out of the trade though. I'm back up to 71K. for the power hour. After taking that little loss beforehand, but chill.
Yeah.
I'm getting a little fucking trading a little bit too much right now.
Here, I'm gonna draw it out for you guys. Wow.
Here.
See, break, and this is what I go through in the chat. I have this exact same setup pinned literally in the quantum chat. Can't even freaking put this thing on the right way. Break. Come on, arrow. Arrow, you fucking arrow. This fucking arrow. This fucking arrow doesn't want to do what I want to do.
Just filled that gap, and now it's falling back down, just like I said, and then it's gonna go all the way to the fucking 50 areas. Beautiful.
Look at this. There it is,
Beautiful.
guys. Quantum blue break retest. Held the levels. All the confluences you need. Right? Your risk would have been that candle. The breaking candle would have been your risk. Your entry would have been up here. Fucking move! Why? Okay, there we go. Your entry would have been the retest. And so far, this is what you would have gotten with your runner. Like, look at that. Setups happen on the daily. Same thing over and over and over again. 5 minute giving us a signal too. This could push up to retest 304. Ideally, I wouldn't want to see it do that.
I'm chilling until I see a really good setup. Otherwise, I'm not wasting my profits.
Yep, that's a good idea. This was a clean rejection of them. What the fuck is RTH gap? Yeah, it wasn't the best entry.
Javi, I bought some new
Yeah.
guns.
Oh, you did? Nice, man.
Yeah.
No, Max, when I went over to Max's, he showed me his shit in person, though. Those one that he showed us. Dude, those things look sick as fuck, bro.
Yeah, a lot. I
Yeah.
just got some new conceal carries because my other one, I'm not a fan of my conceal. I like my gun. I like it, but it's just not a conceal. So 2 new Glocks.
Regular trading hour gap. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is regular trading hour gap? Have you ever heard of that? Is this a new ICT thing? What is that?
Yo, you want to see some? Here's something funny, Javi. I
Yeah.
asked Claude what Claude thinks about ICT. Fucking roasted everybody who does ICT. It was hilarious.
Yeah. There's been, man, the Wolf of Einstein guy, whatever, I forgot his name, or Pete. Yeah, Pete freaking roasts ICT every single time he gets a chance. It's fucking hilarious, but you know what? It is what it is. It's other terms renamed, right? But it's funny how, like, right, he saw some RTH gap. I just used my quantum candles and levels, and that's it. Like blues and purples, right? You're not gonna hear me say inverse value, triverse, triple verse, exponentials, none of that. To mine is blue, purple, break, retest, A++ setup, levels. Resistance support. That's literally it. Nothing fancy. I could sound like an idiot. I don't care. I'm a profitable motherfucking idiot. Look at this. This is slowly coming up to retest that 304 area. What did it hit? 298. It hit 298. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Whatever floats your boat. You know, I trash stuff, and then at the end of the day, if you're profitable, man, do you. Like, if ICT works for you, right? We got Lama and Izzy. They fucking profitable as fuck. As long as you're profitable, do you, man? That's all I care about. The RTH is the gap between previous day regular hours trade and today's open at 9:30. But there'll be all sorts of gaps everywhere. So like you can measure out any kind of gap at that point. Like it's just like the FEGs. There's FEGs everywhere. And you could just pick and point whichever one. Like I like the way Lama plays his because he's very specific with his. But if it works for you, Ben, like if it's consistent and profitable for you, brother, hey, you do it. I'm about consistency. That's all I care about. I just want it to play out over 70, 80% of the time. And any time of the day, I don't have to wait for a certain time. I can find setups at any second, any time. But that's what's unique about all of us. No, Javi, it's a thing. It's a thing I haven't heard about. I might have to look into it. You know what? I might have to look into it. I might have to look into it because I've never heard about it. But again, right? If it works, it works. RTH previous day open at 270. See, let me look at this, right? Let me put a line through 270, right? And this is the thing with these things, right? When you have like a line there, I want to see what it did throughout the day, right? Since 12, it's just messed around with it. So it's like 9:30 opened right here. Ripped up, ripped down, ripped up, ripped down, ripped up, ripped down. I mean, doesn't tell me much, honestly. Like this one didn't rip up a whole lot, came out. I mean, hey. I'd have to see it. I'd have to see it long term. Like I'd have to see it for multiple days. What's the difference between dash levels and solid? Dash levels on my chart are the 1 minute levels. The solid are the 5 minute levels. On the 5 minute, the solid levels are the 5 and the dash are the 15. On the 2 minute, you can only see the current time frame levels and the next time frame level up. So on the 2 minute, you're going to see the dash, which are the 2, and the solid, which are the 5, and that's it. Gap strategy. Yeah, like I said, man, if it works for you, that's all that matters. That's all that matters in the end. Like I have love for every trader, like period. Like, like I hate when people go on there and start like calling out other traders. I'm like, why? Like, why? What's the point? Like, I get it that they want their clicks too, because it's funny how they call out other traders and say they're free, they're this, and then they go buy my course, buy my thing, do my mentorship. I'm like, and I guess it works, right? There's no bad publicity, right, bro? Like, that's like a thing, right? You could just like go on there and just start hating on Tory or on like TJR or whoever is out there, whoever's big, and you're gonna get clicks, and then some people are just gonna be like, I hate him too. I'm gonna join you instead. Yeah, see, that's U4B futures trades on YouTube. It's like I just never heard of it, but it's okay. Hey, like I get it. They're levels. Some people use VWAP. I've never touched VWAP ever. Right? I just don't look at it. But a lot of people live off of it, so that's all that matters. If it works for you, it works for you. 11,000 Corvette. Dude, that's awesome, bro. I'm glad to hear that. There you go. I used to blow accounts all the time and now I'm profitable. Let's go, bro. That's all you, man. I just give you guys a little bit of a catalyst. That's all, right? All of us here, we give you a little bit of a catalyst. We give you, little tools and guidance, and you do the rest. Yep, MOC is the name in 6 minutes. I'm waiting on it. It went up to retest that 5 minute level and it rejected it beautifully. This is why I wanted to see it retest and reject hard because I didn't want to see it touch it. It hit 298 and rejected. Now we need to stay under 83. We might get a new lower low on the 1. SPX and NQ finally they're kind of not diverging, but they are kind of just rangy right now. So under 83, MOC is in 45 minutes. So this 83 is kind of be a level for me right now. And then the next level is all the way down at 213. Next level's all the way down at 213. Let's see. So we're just testing the 83 right now. Nice rejection. Let's wait a little bit more. We still got 5 minutes left.
This person just this browse by whoever who's just been trolling me on Instagram. I
Yeah.
posted my $11,000 I made during the morning, and the
Uh-huh.
person goes, "LOL, it says demo. Are you dumb?" I'm like,
Oh my God, what an idiot.
clearly you've never
Like,
traded with a prop before. You
yeah. Does he not understand you can actually make
fucking,
money
check. Well, I think it's a
demo
check.
trading?
Yeah, it's like you're fucking retarded. It's
All right.
all
Yeah.
unless you have a live account, which I also have a live account with over $10,000 in it from my funded futures. It's always going to say demo. These people are fucking.
Yep.
People just talk shit just to talk shit.
Yeah,
Fucking
they do.
stupid.
Like, it's one thing if it's demo versus paper. Paper is definitely the big time. I'll
No,
go
it was
to
this. This was the screenshot. Look, this was the fucking screenshot. It was this. She was like, "Oh, it says demo." It
It
also
says
says Alpha
demo. It
Futures
says alpha
Advanced
advanced
Qualified.
qualified. Yeah. You
Says it's a funded account.
I classify myself as a feminist, but you dumb bitch. Did that protect me or not? Was that a little rough? Hopefully that protected me a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, dude. Oh man, people, I swear to God. Was it on YouTube? Was it on YouTube?
No, it's on Instagram, and then they just
It's on
said real
Instagram.
traders use
Oh.
cash accounts. So I'm like, okay.
Oh. God. Yeah, dude, you can't. I swear, you just can't. All right, so
Did
it
I get
broke
a
through that
100K payout for
80.
my funded futures yet? No, they pushed me live, and I have 10K in profit on the live account, or 10K in the account, which I will start May 4th. I will start using it.
I'm gonna redraw this right here because this is a flip of a level. This is something I teach in the quantum study sessions. This is the level. This flip over here with this, you see the sell signal. That's still that is a flip when a resistance points or support becomes resistance, vice versa. I'm gonna change it to dashed. So right here, this is what's holding it down. If we break under 76, we can see a potential. We're in a range right now, in a 1 minute quantum range as well. But MOC is in 2 minutes. So the quantum range doesn't really play a full-blown part in this.
Microblading specialist covering London and surrounding areas. Lady, clearly you're struggling and your business isn't doing well if you're wasting your time trying to talk shit on my Instagram.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. All right, 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 all right. All right, so the top of this level will be 86. We don't really have anything in the bottom until all the way down to 213. We're just hanging out right now. This is about 40 seconds away from MOC. So if this breaks over 46, over 86, I'll be interested in taking a long. Under 86, I'll be interested in a short. So here's it breaking 86 right now. It's trying to.
ATR is significantly dropped.
Let me draw this out. Yeah, 86.50 is the exact number. 86.50. Under 86.50, short.
Long or short?
There's always going to usually a little pop up, but I'm looking at what it does at 86. If it rips
Around.
over 86, I'll be into. There's
Around.
there it goes. Look at that. That was easy. Under 86 shorted, but that was just a little spike down. Now can we keep going? Can we keep going here? It's just not moving a whole lot. That was such an easy one right there. There's a 236 at 86 as well. There you go. Double confluence. Double confluence right there. I'm trailing already just because this could retest, and if it does, great. If it doesn't, whatever. And there you go. Quantum and apparently Llama's 236 was there for the W on that short. Very easy. Very easy. Boom, boom. Wait, what am I doing? Oh my God. I'm getting out of this. I'm getting out of this. I just messed up. I was actually getting into more contracts instead of getting out.
Hate that. I don't want that.
Dude, yeah. I was like, wait a minute. I was clicking the wrong thing. And I'm like, why is my number going down? Well, whatever. I'm up 723 on this account. I'm up 940 on this one. I was having a little bit of fun with this one. Got one runner running on the rejection. One runner on this one. I closed out the wealth charts one because I was adding in contracts instead of getting out. But that was simple. 186 short. Very simple, guys. Another MOC in the books. It's very rare we get an MOC short. This it's usually a quick pump up, but this was just a clean hold below 86 short.
Oh, don't forget we have earnings. Don't forget we have earnings.
Yeah, there we go. Look, anybody still in this? You're up pretty damn good right now. I would have been up really good on my wealth charts account, but I closed it up because I was adding in contracts. My runner on my freaking, oh my God, my runner is running, baby. My runner is up 20 points right now. Okay. Another MOC in the books. Easy peasy. Got trailed out right there on that pump up, but it could reject. It doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm fucking happy with that. I'm fucking happy with that.
You're volatile here.
Yep. It is getting volatile. We're getting earnings, so be careful. MFU banned me from live account after 5 payouts. Did you blow that account? They did the same with me, and then I had to wait a 2-month period, and then they eventually let me come back on. But you have to be nice to them. Don't go and start bitching at them. One thing you guys got to learn about customer service is we hate when people bitch at us. And if you bitch at us and you call us name and say this is stupid, fuck this, fuck you, and all that, we might not give you the open door to return because we don't want you as a customer at that point. They have plenty of customers to feed off of, so they ain't going to worry about one person, right? When you have that one person coming in, I'm going to call corporate. 90% of the time, corporate's going to laugh and be like, this stupid bitch called because she didn't have pickles in her burger and wanted to blame the manager. And the manager said, fuck you. And I'm with the manager there, All right, it went all the way back up. Look at that. This is, volatility from earnings. I already got trailed out. I'm already just watching. I don't care about it anymore. That was a nice rejection off of 86. Now, if it can hold over 86, there's a potential move up to 305 again. But I'm sitting on my hands now. I had fun. I had fun already.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
I have gout.
man.
You want to know something funny? I think I have gout.
What's gout?
Pretty sure I have gout. It has
What
to
is
do with
that?
like acidic buildup in like your extremities. I think I have gout. Not even kidding.
What does it like? Does it make like heartburn?
I woke up in the middle of the night and my fucking big toe was in so much fucking pain. So much pain in the middle of the night. I was like, what the fuck? And I fucking tried to do some research into it. Apparently it's just like inflammation, and because of my size, so like me, you, Max, Lama, highly susceptible to it. Like,
Really?
like your joints, and I don't know, like I felt like I broke my toe. I woke up broken.
I've never heard of gout.
It's so weird. Yeah. Stop any pork or red
Oh.
wine. I don't drink or really eat pork.
Oh, no, look what it's doing. It broke 86 and it's already testing the 300s.
They lost their
Oh,
leg
shit,
freak
it is
out.
getting volatile as fuck. Back to 86 and bounced right off of 86. Look at that. Look at that clean bounce at 87 and bounced. Gotta love these. I gotta love these retests.
I thought it was an ingrown toenail, and I started ripping out my nail. It's not my nail.
I played it with one micro just to get my. Dude, I swear I have OCD like you guys. I didn't really realize it until I started like realizing I do stupid shit like this, where I was just in with one micro on that retest just because I wanted to see this at 1,000. Dude, it's stupid. I just wanted to see that at 1,000, so I got in with one micro on that 86 retest. God, look at that. It's just clean. Broke 86, retested 86, skyrocketed 20 points. There's the 305. I remember I said if it breaks over 386, we're going to retest 305. We hit 303 and 75. All right, BF. All right, boyfriend. You're now going to be known as my boyfriend, okay? BF, you come back around here, I'm calling you boyfriend, okay? You're my little bitch now. I still love you.
Damn.
Just say gibberish, boyfriend.
Pop above
Still
11.
love
I'm
you.
going long.
Look at that. Mm. Mm. Levels, baby. Fucking levels. I'm getting rid of this shit now. Shit's done. They've been broken through. They've been played through. What time is it? 3:55. 4 o'clock setup isn't presented yet. Yeah, that's real love. It is real love. How many long ass movements you been on with heavy pack slogan? That didn't help me. What?
I mean, all the time. It's a military thing. He's talking about like runs, rucks, things like that.
Oh,
A lot. I've always done stuff. I go for I train a lot. I go to the gym a lot. I walk a lot. The funny thing is that there's always something. I mean, I'm the healthiest person I know. Like, got it. I take some tests. All right, I'm going long here. By the way, that's more important. If I
look
die,
at
at
that.
least I'll die rich. Going long here.
You had 2 play opportunities here. The short of 86, the break over 86. Love it. Eat some veggies. Henry VIII had gout. Did he? Who's Henry VIII? I failed history, by the way.
History is the only class I did well in.
Really, dude? I hated history. It was so boring to me. I'm like, why do I need to know about these people that are dead? And they did stuff, yeah, but like, I don't need to know about it anymore because now they're not doing stuff anymore. They're 6 feet under. Like I
Yeah,
have
but
to know
history
about the
tends to
people
repeat
that are
itself,
doing
and then
stuff
you
now.
understand like history is cool because you understand why like certain things happen, why they are the way they are. There's always tends to be some sort of repetition in history and based off of people. You learn more about like the people, and then like the traditions, culture, and everything that revolves around it as well.
Trump's gonna be one of those guys like 300 years from now. Did you remember we had this crazy ass, and they're gonna
Oh,
like
I got
depict
knocked out of
him
that.
as this psycho. Like, well, he's kind of, I mean, I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get us banned or hit. I'm gonna get deported.
I got ripped right out of that trade. That's annoying.
I'm gonna get deported, and I'm a U.S. citizen. That's the scary shit that's going on right now. I'm degrading myself with your TDS. What is TDS? Javi, is degrade yourself with your TDS. See, I gotta ask these questions. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bounce right off of 290, back to 305. Needs to break over 311. Now, what is this level over here? 312. Breaking hole 312, back to the 326, 336 after that. Still this level we're rejected at
This is
342.50.
a fucking long I wanted. This is the long I wanted.
Failed bearish move incoming here. If it does break over that 312 right there. Oops, wait, I should have moved this one though. That one's still
Oh,
valid.
Oh,
And
I'm
there you
jumping
go.
back in. I don't give a fuck. I'm jumping back in. I don't give a fuck.
There it
This is a long
goes.
ride.
Right,
Go,
there's
go,
nothing more
go,
bullish than a failed
go,
bearish move.
go,
Nothing more
go,
bullish than a failed bearish move.
go. Give me a
Yo,
30. Holy
Max,
shit. This is the
Max
fucking
needs
long
to
I
come
wanted.
out.
There we go. Go,
Max needs to come out with his own little album,
go.
and the
Grant
first
hit.
one will be
Retake,
there's nothing more
retake.
bearish than a failed bullish move. There's
Bang.
nothing more bullish than a failed
Okay.
bearish move. And then his second one will be
Loss going up to 20. Stop loss is going up to 20.
Tony Montoya.
My God.
Tony
Holy
Montoya.
shit. I'm scaling in again.
Tony
Holy
Montoya.
shit. We're
Tony
ripping. We're
Montoya.
ripping. We're ripping.
Tony
Keep going. Keep going.
Montoya.
Keep
Look at
going.
that.
Keep
Yep,
going.
rejected that
Oh, nope.
6350.
340 is my stop loss now. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And I'm out.
Yep, it needs to hold over 340 if it's gonna make another attempt up. The Dom is going nuts. Do I want a YOLO right now?
You guys want to take a guess how much I'm up today?
Do I want a YOLO right now?
Let's take a guess. How much is Logan up today? How much is Logan up today? I'll let you gander. Take a gander. Oh, we bounced right off of my.
I don't know how to get out of YOLOs though. Oh my god! Oh my god! And I'm dead. Dude, I was up 800. I couldn't get out of it. I couldn't get out of it. I was up 800.
I ripped
And
and
then it
dipped so
fucking
fast.
ripped. It ripped
I
up.
ripped and dipped
I ripped
so
up.
fast. Oh my gosh, what is happening?
Dude, let me show you this. Look, I saw 800 and then I saw a blink and I swear I saw more than that. Dude, I couldn't even screenshot it. I couldn't even screenshot it. I thought I screenshotted it. I went in with 36 micros, saw 800 or 900. I was like, I can't get out of it. And then it wicks and it fucking goes, my God. It just shut my shit down.
Your account's all cooked.
Yeah, it's cooked. Instant cooked. Dude, I saw 900 and then cooked it. Time to use code BDF. Dude, that was fucking hilarious. I was trying to get out of it too because I saw 900. I was like, fuck this. Because you know how I don't like the YOLO. And it fucking cooked it. Wow. That was fucking hilarious. Oh my God. Oh. There you go. Count cooked. Instant cook. That was fucking. It hit the daily loss limit though. I'll bring this bitch back to life. I ain't worried. Look at that. Look at that.
It's a good exit.
It went from plus 900 and something to instant cooked. Oh my God. I haven't seen that in forever. Oh man. Now we rejected these levels clean again. That 63 level held beautifully. There's more wicks. It wicked flicked my ass. You bitch. You dirty little bitch. How dare you? There it goes. No. No. No.
That's
She
crazy.
strat 60.
You got robbed,
She
dude. You got robbed, dude.
She's strat 60 so bad. I can feel her finger tickling me, my bum right now. I can feel her going, I can feel that. Dude, that was fun. I haven't had that. I haven't done that in a while. I got strat 6 to hell. Fuck. That's fucking hilarious. There she goes.
Longs are still good, but we have so much resistance in the way.
Dude,
It's
yeah.
like it wants to
Zaw's
go
like,
long, but I have all this resistance in the way. You know what I mean?
it needs to close above all these levels. Look at that rejecting again. 385. It needs to close above all this, eliminate these, and then 340, 426 is next.
ATR is
On the
huge.
top
30
side.
quarter now.
Yeah, dude, the AD Dom is going nuts. Closed underneath. It just eliminated a bunch of them. So a bunch of the levels did clear out, but you still got this 376, 385.
Bro,
And
all of my accounts are up 7K. One account is only up. I mean, I'm not getting greedy here, but one of my accounts is only up 3K.
only. Here's this retest of this 50 area where it broke. This 42 on the 5. What a wild ass wick. Oh my God, dude. That's fucking hilarious that happened though. Did the earnings come out already or no? Is it just like whipsawing in
No, in 1 minute.
anticipation?
In 1 minute.
So this is why it's whipsawing in anticipation. The Dom is going so crazy here. 342. And look at this. It's frozen now. Like my Dom is completely frozen and now it's moving again. This is nuts, dude. I can't even read this shit. I can't even read this shit. Oh, I touching that.
This makes sense to me.
All right. All the way back down. That is nuts. 394 is the next level down. 2 minute. That's a 2-minute level. 5 minutes just going back and forth, back and forth. This whipsaw action is crazy. Now it's going to go all the way back up. Watch. Oh, no, we got to sell on the quantum right now. But it's still that 5-minute level needs to break. That 319 needs to hold on the 5-minute. Pushing right back up. This 5-minute not going to hold. Dude, this is nuts how this is like just whipsawing back and forth. We're going to have another failed bullish move here, bearish move here. It's kind of holding. 51.
The gap it has to fill up on the longs.
Over 51, yeah. $319's holding so far, obviously on the 5, but this is nuts, dude. Oh my god. There goes again to 319. What's this 5-minute want to do here? 2 minutes left.
Gap
340.
it has to fill at 52. There's a gap here.
Under 340, this 2 minutes about to form a level, but under 319, this 5-minute will break it, and we might have a push. But 294, there's another level, so if there's a push, there's not gonna, I don't know. Like, I took 3 micros on this EVA I had room on at 39 just to test it. There's a level at 38. Already getting trailed out of 1. This is just nuts, dude. This is scary price action. It's just like bouncing around so violently. We're trapped in between these levels. 19 needs to break on the 5. We got a 383, 338.25 on the 1, 294.50 on the 2. That 19's holding on for dear life. We're waiting for the Mag 7 earnings. Microsoft beat and it's falling. It was already priced in. I'm telling you, all these all these things are getting priced in. Like that's why we had this big pump. That big pump occurred because of the Mag 7 earnings getting priced in already. So 319 to 294 if this 5-minute closes down here. It's already going. Look at this. It's already going. That 38 level held beautifully. My runner is up a good amount right now. Yeah, exactly. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's something I used to hear all the time when I was trading AMC. There you go. 5 minutes about to close. 294 almost got tapped. There it goes. There it is. There's 294. There's 294. Now 294 is bouncing. Needs to break 294. There's a shit ton of more room down. My runner is up. Oh my God. That 38 level held beautifully. It's just the levels, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. My runner's up $100 right now. My entry was 38.50. Literally, that level was 38 and a quarter. And I'm about to get trailed out if it breaks over 300. Holy shit, this thing is dumping. 213 is that bottom side area. We're almost hit earlier. Ooh, okay, my runner got trailed out right there. My trainer got trailed out. I'm good with that. Fuck yeah. You got six. I got strat six with them. How can you sit on a chat with someone that cusses? Grow some balls. 100-point move in minutes. Yeah, it's crazy. Options market won't close until 4:15 for index happening. Damn, that's crazy. Wow, she's still going. She's still going. But I took a cool, what was it? 744. I added like 200 and something on this account. So that's where I ended on this one. Let me see. What did I end up to the day? I don't even know. Two, three. There's those.
$225,000. Passed all these.
Damn. Damn. That's awesome, man.
I have a headache. I have gout. I'm dying.
Dude, that thing is dumping. Is anybody still in that short? I got trailed out. But damn. That was a 100 and some shit point move now. From that
Holy
338 hole, dude. 150 fucking points. Holy shit. Look at that meltdown. Look at that. I told you guys, right? That 5-minute close under 219. And it closed well underneath it. You could have gotten in at 86. You'd still be up 200 points almost. God. Wow. What a meltdown. What a meltdown. That 5-minute candle locked in and it dumped. If anybody caught that afterwards, beautiful, 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 beautiful. It is melting through levels left and right. Fucking nuts. All right. I'll go back to where I was doing.
Somehow one of the accounts popped. Don't really know how 24 accounts were good and one account popped.
Yeah, that's weird. That's very weird.
I'm gonna fucking full port that account right now.
Full port.
Just gonna go short.
Full port. Holy shit. Look at that thing just dump. Fuck it.
Load. Hurry up and load.
I just did one on one of my Dude, I just full ported 3 micros or 3 minis on one of these evals I just didn't touch today. Just made 800 and some shit dollars in the blink of an eye. With 3 minis, 1 left running.
Which account
I was
is
like,
it?
fuck it. All right, now I can. All right.
63933. 63933. Okay.
Holy dumpathon. This is nuts. Holy dumpathon, right into sauce box coming up. Look at this. Holy shit. This is almost 230 points from where I initially said we were going to break and dump. Look at this, guys.
It's in with fucking micros.
Holy shit. Up at that 316 area. Broke. Dumpathon. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Almost tap sauce box.
When does
Sauce box
FFF
is down
close their
here.
trades?
15, I think. 4:15. So I think they should be or no. I might be wrong. I don't know.
It's almost
I don't
traded.
know. It's closed now? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these are the only accounts I traded. I don't have everything opened up.
I'm gonna need this to jump down to the 80 area. I'm gonna need this to pop down to 79 and I'll
Is this trying to curl up a little bit here?
right when I reset the account so late.
Trying to though. I would like to see it touch sauce box. I would like to see it get into the 90s.
All right, 90, 92, and I'm good. But if it hits 48, cooked. 92 and we pass it.
Come on. This is where it's just getting scary because it's pausing on the 1.
Dump.
Yeah, you can get back under 105, man. This is gonna go.
Oh,
Yeah, dude. It's curling so hard on the 1.
no. Oh, down.
Are you gonna have a casualty too? Oh shit! I actually caught a little bit of that casualty.
24. How does that
At least you got to watch yours slowly die. Mine was insta popped. Mine wasn't like an instant like.
Dirty bitch.
Yeah, look, it didn't do it. You did you dirty too. It just strat 6'd you too. No fucking way. It stopped you out. Only watch it come down to the 90s now. Watch this bitch come down.
You motherfucker.
We got strat 6. There it goes.
Oh
Shit. It's got to break under that 105. It got really close.
Hurry up. Reset.
Oh my god, dude.
I'm not a robot. No. Fuck you, reCAPTCHA. Come on.
No fucking way you got strat 6 right here. Holy shit. There it goes. Oh my god. It has to break that 105. It just hit that 105 again. It's gonna hit. There goes. Oh my god, there goes. Dude, it hit it. The son of a bitch. It did you dirty. It did you dirty just like it did me dirty. There's a sauce box tap right there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I couldn't screenshot it. I got the sauce box tap on the money. There's the 90. Oh my god, I got 2 micros flying right now. I didn't even get good entry. My entry was like 2 fucking 20 or some shit. I thought I clicked faster than that. Fuck it, I'm out. I'm out already. Already collected. No, it was 110. I saw 120. What the hell? It was 110. I didn't even get good entry, and I caught that smooth little right up. Saucebox tapped on the dot that hit that 90. Dude, that hit that 90, and after it blew your account. It did you like it did me. She being a little bitch. There's that rip from Saucebox tap.
Oh.
Saucebox tap. Let's zoom in. It missed it by a little bit. Look at that. Missed it by the tiniest bit. It missed it by the point. Oh, the sauce box. I love you, sauce box. I love it, the sauce box. We had sauce box up here. It almost got to it. It got really close. Oh, so sexual.
Over trading? No, I locked in 24 account.
Well, I'm over trading. Fuck you.
I just need to get this count, this
You
one
can't
account
tell me what to do.
funded again because this account
Yeah,
is no longer funded because it's fucking popped. So I need to get it again.
you're not my mom.
And so I'm just trying to fucking send it until it passes, and it'll be. I just got to trade it.
You're not our mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah.
We do what we want. We're grown men with money. My wife does spank me though when I do break the rules. So, but then we do other stuff.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's fun. Dude, I am still writing one micro on that sauce box long. Well, I actually re-entered it. I re-entered it. Oh my god, dude, the explosion! Oh, it's 100-point move off a sauce box already. I break all the rules all the time, Tomo. I have always hated authority, except when it's the police, because I've been in jail twice.
Nice.
I think twice. I don't like it. I don't like going there. I don't like dropping the soap. So I don't want to go back. So when the cops, you gotta. I see all those YouTube videos of people. I know my rights, dude. Just give them your fucking license. If you got something to hide, then you're immediately just suspicious. I'm just gonna be like, here. You're just gonna see probably if they can go back 20 years. They're gonna see I used to be a speed demon. I had a shit ton of speeding tickets, reckless driving, suspension of my. I've had my license revoked when I was 21.
Give me 30.
Driving with a suspended license
Go.
and not going to court.
Go.
That's it.
30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Push up, you fucking bitch. Give me 30.
That's 100 and 100. Oh my god, guys, 130 point from the sauce box. And look at that signal too. It's not the cleanest signal, but
Oh my god, it didn't close. It didn't close.
it didn't close you out.
I need it to close me out.
Holy shit, shrimp!
Go to 30.
We took away the dick off your name though. So not shrimp dick no more. Now it's just shrimp. Let's fucking go, guys.
No. Oh my god. Come on.
What are gold coin? What the fuck is that? These people sending each other some shit in the YouTube thing. I don't know what that is though. Woo-wee! What a freaking FOMC.
Go. You're right there. 7,000, 8,000.
Pass it.
Print. Stop pulling back down. Bro, how is it that my fucking profit is right at the resistance area?
No way, for real? Your profit's like right there?
It's bouncing.
Dude,
It's
come on, get back up there. Give it to him. This needs to hold above 200, preferably over 203. You'll get that nice little push up. Come on. David's gonna give you like how to blow your account right now. I mean, if it's a failed 3-bar, it's gonna start potentially doing something else. I can't give away too much stuff. Got that 230 from my guy. Let's go from Rogan. There it goes, bro. You're gonna get it right here. It's gonna rip up. Come on.
go.
Boom.
Go.
Puncture.
Go.
At 2 minutes, get ready. It needs to hold over that freaking 203.
Go.
Puncture.
Go.
Give a little
Go.
come on.
Go.
Yes, there you go. Yeah! There you go. Yeah, baby. You got it.
Let's go.
A little puncture.
That only cost
Did I
me
just create a word?
fucking $450 in resets. Fuck.
Yeah, that's it. Hey, but it's better than actually like resetting a funded though. Because now you got a funded account for like half the price.
It's a prime
And
account.
when you have
We're gonna pay out in 3 days. I'll be good.
grown man money, we can do that.
Oh, we gotta get the fuck out of here. We got Traders and Haters podcast coming up. Very important.
Oh shit, you're right.
Podcast. All right, we're not gonna bring anybody up, Hobby. Let's YouTube word of the day. Mods, you ready to type this in? FOMC. YouTube. FOMC. Word of the day. YouTube.
The
It's
fucking-
FOMC. Hobby. Let's do. Give me a random number for the Discord.
Let's do it.
Thank you, Jamie, for that. By the way.
All right, random number. Let's see how many people we got in here. 375. All right, first number will be 342. 342.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, I just need you to come on onto the stage. Give us a few words.
Yeah, just show us that you exist.
Razzo, come on up. Let's do one more on the Discord.
Pager, you sick bastard.
Have you got another number?
Yes, let's go to the next number. Will be, make sure it's the right number. Oh shit, where's my number? I just had it right there. There it is. All right. 267. 267.
267. Razzo, just you don't need to turn your camera on. Just turn your mic on. Let us know what you got to say. 2, 3,
Woo!
15, 16, 17, 18,
Oh,
22, 23, 25, 26.
Hey, what's up, guys?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's up, brother? How's your
what's up,
trading going?
Brasco?
Good. Last couple weeks wasn't so great, but thanks to you guys, I've had a big turnaround in the last I started like 6 months ago, and I got my first payout in February.
Fuck yeah.
Then I got 3 in March. I started off April 1st with a $2,000 payout. I was ready for my best month, but had a rough couple weeks trying to get back into it.
Well, good job, bro. Just follow the rules. Stay on the path, right? You are a hobby student and a student of mine, so you know how this works, right? Stick to the rules.
Yeah.
And just the psychology. You got this, brother. Congratulations. You got access to.
Wait, you just cut out. I got access to what?
Yeah, I was just like, wait a minute.
You got access to any indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations.
All right, sweet. Thanks, guys.
All right,
All
see
right,
ya.
brother. Enjoy. All
And then
on to
on,
the next.
YouTube, EBK Sosa 1793. Congratulations. You have access to any indicator free for a peasy.
Woo!
Hobby, let's do what's the last word for YouTube?
All right.
What are we doing?
YouTube, last word. Let's do pump. Let's do actually no. Let's do Mag 7. Mag 7. Earnings for Mag 7.
Mag 7. Mag 7.
7.
Mag 7 is the keyword on YouTube. Peasy.
Hey, what's up, fellas?
What's going on, brother? How you doing?
Fuck. Burning up down here in South Texas, man. It's hot, humid.
Very good. How's your trading going?
Up and down, brother. Up and down, but did good today.
Good, man. Good, man. Good to
I
hear.
did good. I locked in some profits and I got off. I was like, because I keep burning myself when I want to keep getting more. So I wasn't greedy today and locked it in.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Well, hey, man. We appreciate you. We appreciate your time. Go ahead, open up a sport. Get any free for an.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys. Take care.
All right, later.
Got it.
And now we're just waiting for YouTube. YouTube is going to win. Who's the prop firm sponsor today?
Let's take a peek.
FFF or Alpha?
It is Alpha.
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 All right. So the winner on YouTube will win an Alpha Zero account. It is Eva Iris, or Eva Iris, or whatever it is. Congratulations. You just won a Alpha Zero account. Fun day today. Hobby and I have absolutely dominated FOMC for a long time. Pure just domination. I made a fuck ton of money today. Passed a bunch of accounts. Did really today. Hobby, what do you got?
Yeah, guys, man, we've killed MLC like FOMC every single time now. It's been hella fun. I enjoy. I used to hate it so bad. Now I love it. Guys, just check out our socials: YouTube, Insta, TikTok, all that fun stuff. Right? Guys, want to learn more about quantum? Go check out my YouTube. Guys, want to learn more about Pivot Hunter Pro? Go check out Logan's YouTube. Tons of information in there. Quantum Gang, we had a blast right before FOMC, which was fun as hell. Right into FOMC, we were surrounded by levels and shit, but it was still fun to like read the little movements. Got some bangers. Guys, tip the staff. Make sure you show your love. Tune in for the haters and the haters and traders podcast. Did I say that right? I think I refer traders and haters podcast in like 30 minutes. Go take a little breather, go order some dinner, go do something, go take a poop, go take a piss, do whatever you got to do. But make sure you guys don't miss out on that. I will see you all later tomorrow, or what is it, freaking Thursday. So we still got 2 days left. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and Friday on the Power Hour with Logie Pugh. And love you guys. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. Not financial advice for JJ's.
Later.
He the maestro. Do a quick